How's it going, bro? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fritz, and in this video I'm gonna explain you exactly how to produce house music like Kerri Chandler. So what I think is really typical for Kerri Chandler is that he's basically putting strange chord progressions together, and they don't really sound like the classic chord progressions you can hear in commercial tracks. It sounds more like an underground vibe. I'm gonna explain you exactly how to do those ones, and let's get straight into FL Studio. So I want to start the track with a synth stab. So I came up with this synth stab chord progression. Now we want to also add some string. Now the kick comes in. The kick is a very clicky kick with a lot of low end. Sometimes I actually create the kicks myself. For that I use kick 2. There's something like this, or like this, or like this. Very clicky, a lot of low end, but like this one. So now let's write a bass line. And for that we're going to use a combination between a square wave and a tooth wave, which is this one here. Now is the perfect timing to add some hi-hats and some claps. So just make sure you keep an eye on those little details, on those little things, for example, those hi-hats, those changing notes and hi-hats, for example. And also there's like a little bit of progression in the track, but it's not too complicated. He keeps the tracks very simple. You just have to like look for those little things. For example, in this case, I used a hi-hat pattern like this. And now we add the other hi-hat pattern in here, just like this. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Continue this. There you go, like this. If you want to, by the way, speed up your process of house music production, I create exactly for this specific house music production template, which has vocal 1 to 5, kick, bass, drums 1 to 5. Everything is already colored, assigned. It's going to save heaps of time, master automation, and also on the mixing channel there's 50 ready to go mixing and mastering chains ready for you to basically mix the track. It's going to save you all the time. I basically created this myself. I'm using this template every single time. A lot of people purchase it because I realize how much value it actually has and how much time it actually saves you at the end of the day. Because I know that at the end of the day we all want to create more and better house music, and this is definitely the stepping and the start stone to actually do this. To get this template, make sure you go in the link in the description, go on gumroad.com and purchase this template for just under $10. So it's going to speed up the whole process. So definitely make sure you do this right now. Now we also want to add some sort of vocal ad-lib, something which is repeating itself but also has a bit of mysterious vibes to it. She said, whoa. She said, whoa. She said, whoa. She said. We don't want to just add the vocals very aggressively. I want to basically add this little volume kind of fade in, so it starts slowly and then it goes louder. Now it is time to add a different element which basically creates a new vibe. For example, something like a very positive piano but slowly faded in. Because we want to use FL Studio stock plugins, I'm going to use FL keys for this piano. It's basically a detuned normal piano. Now it's time for some different vocals. So this was the whole project. I understand now fully that it's quite challenging just to do this now all by yourself, and also the way how you mix your track and stuff like that, because I mixed and pre-mixed this basically before I recorded this YouTube video for you. But at the end of the day, if you want to find out more into detail how to mix tech house or house music, I created this video which explains exactly how to do it. And if you want to jump on a coaching call with me, I'm offering one-on-one online coachings where I'm explaining me exactly how to mix your tracks, how to build them up. We're going to basically work on one of your projects. I'm going to help you as much as possible to get you to the next level and bring your productions to the next level.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Zeno Man, electronic and techno music producer from Hamburg. I took a one-on-one coaching with David Fritz. We met via Zoom and we got along right away, and he gave me a coaching regarding record box and preparing DJ sets for gigs. He shared his screen with me and he guided me step by step through record box. And thanks to his coaching, I'm now pretty confident that I'm able to prepare my own DJ sets with my own songs and will hopefully be able to play live gigs soon. New single dropping soon, stay tuned.
If you want to find out more about that, please make sure you message me privately over Instagram right now and just basically tell me a little bit about what your goals are, what are you struggling with the most, and then I can see if I can help you the most way as possible. So thanks for watching this whole video, bro. I appreciate you a lot. Please make sure to check out this video as well, which explains exactly how to produce tech house like James Hype. Really easy tutorial by me, and I'll see you, bro, in the next tutorial.